Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, a renewed model with some compelling specs, especially considering its likely budget-friendly price point. This particular version boasts 256 gigabytes of storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is pretty generous for a phone in this category. It's also unlocked, compatible with carriers like T-Mobile, Mint Mobile, and Teo, and even works internationally, specifically mentioning Latin American bands and a Latin America warranty. Let's unpack what this phone offers. Right off the bat, the 6.6-inch display with a 120Hz refresh rate catches the eye. This means smoother scrolling and a more responsive feel compared to standard 60Hz displays. A higher refresh rate is a feature often reserved for more premium phones, so it's great to see it here. The resolution is 1080 x 2340, which should provide crisp and clear visuals. The listing mentions awesome lilac Latin bands, which I assume refers to color variations or perhaps some preloaded music content specific to the Latin American market. We'll have to investigate that further. Under the hood, the Galaxy A35 5G is running Android 12 with One UI Core 4.1. One UI Core is Samsung's streamlined version of their One UI skin, designed for smoother performance on devices with slightly less powerful processors. While we don't know the exact processor model, the combination of 8 gigabytes RAM and One UI Core should provide a decent user experience. The camera setup is described as a 50MP triple camera system. While we don't have details on the other two lenses, a 50MP primary sensor has the potential to capture some detailed shots. We'll need to test its performance in various lighting conditions to see how it truly stacks up. The inclusion of a 25W dual charger is a nice touch, as many manufacturers are now omitting chargers from their boxes. The fact that this is a renewed device is an important factor. This means it's a pre-owned phone that has been inspected and refurbished to working order. While this can be a great way to save money, it's crucial to buy from a reputable seller and check the warranty details carefully. The listing mentions a Latin America warranty, so be aware of that if you're purchasing from outside that region. One of the key selling points here is the 5G connectivity, future-proofing the device for faster download and streaming speeds. The combination of 5G and ample storage makes this phone a potential multimedia powerhouse for on-the-go entertainment. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G seems like a promising option for those seeking a budget-friendly 5G phone with decent specs. The large display, high refresh rate, and generous storage are definite highlights. However, we'll need to put it through its paces to see how it performs in real-world usage. Stay tuned for a full review where we'll delve deeper into the camera quality, battery life, gaming performance, and overall user experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.